Hello everyone, myself Dr. Devendraya. Today we study Kuroto-Vasquez graphs. Two specific non-planar graphs are called Kuroto-Vasquez graphs. Remember the point, non-planar graphs. That is, in case of a planar graph, we observe without any crossover point or without any intersection point, whereas in case of non-planar graph with crossover or with intersecting point. That is the difference between planar graph and non-planar graphs. Now in Kuroto-Vasquez graphs, the complete graph with 5 vertices K5 is called first Kuroto-Vasquez graph, and the second is a regular connected graph with 6 vertices and 9 edges represented by K33 is called second Kuroto-Vasquez graph. So here observe the graph K33, which is a non-planar graph, and it is called second Kuroto-Vasquez graph. Now let us observe the first one. Complete graph with 5 vertices K5 is called first Kuroto-Vasquez graph. Then complete graph, the definition of the complete graph will be, we denote complete graph by Kn when all its vertices are connected to each other. Such a type of graph we call as a complete graph. So here observe the graph K5, all the vertices are connected to each other, therefore it is a K5 is a non-planar graph. Now so observe the second one, which is a planar graph. Here in this graph we observe without any intersection point in the graph, therefore it is a planar graph. Suppose if we draw an edge A to D, we find a intersection point. See here, if we draw an edge from A to D, we find a intersecting point, therefore it is a non-planar graph. This is an example for planar graph and a non-planar graph. Now observe the second one, that is the second is a regular connected graphs with 6 vertices and 9 edges represented by K33 is called second Kuroto-Vasquez graph. In case of K33, the number of vertices will be 6 and the number of edges will be 9. Okay, so K33, that is KMN, it is a biparticle graph where M stands for vertices of the first set and N stands for vertices of the second set. Therefore the two graphs K5 and K33 are both called Kuroto-Vasquez graphs. The observation we need to observe under Kuroto-Vasquez graphs are both are non-planar graphs. Suppose if we want to convert non-planar graph into a planar graph, so we consider removal of any one vertex or an edge makes non-planar graph into a planar graph. Now to show that Kuroto-Vasquez graphs are non-planar, or prove that the complete graph K5 is not planar, and also prove that K33 is not planar. So here it is a simple method of proving the result, and the result will be proved by considering the K5 graph. That is, we prove K5, the complete graph is not planar. Consider the graph K5. Here P is equals to 5 and Q is equals to edges, that is total number of vertices here we observe is 5 and the total number of edges here we observe in case of complete graph will be 10. So suppose if K5 is a planar graph, then we have by the theorem, that is we have discussed already this, Q is less than or equals to 3P minus 6. Substitute the value of P, total number of vertices in case of complete graph will be 5, K5 will be 5 and the number of edges will be 10. Therefore 10 is less than or equals to 9, which is impossible. That is K5 cannot be a planar graph. Therefore K5 is non-planar graph. Substitute the number of edges and vertices in the result. We observe 10 is less than or equals to 9. So we have considered if K5 is a planar graph, so 10 is less than or equals to 9, which is impossible. So when it is not a planar graph, it must be a non-planar graph. Now to prove K33 is not planar, so consider K33 graph. So as I told that in case of K33, the number of vertices will be 6 and the number of edges will be 9. So to prove the non-coplanarity of K33, we shall use the fact that no region is bounded with more than 4 edges. Suppose if we consider this region, so no region is bounded with more than 4 edges. So that is K33 is free from triangles. So then by the theorem, if let G be a connected planar graph with P vertices, Q edges and R faces, if G is a triangle free, then we have Q is greater than or equals to 2R, Q is less than or equals to 2P minus 4. So we have stated that K33 is free from triangles. Suppose K33 is a planar and it is connected, then by the theorem Q is less than or equals to 2P minus 4. Substitute the value of P and Q. So here Q value will be, here P value will be 6. So therefore we observe Q is less than or equals to 8, which is impossible. Therefore K33 cannot be a planar graph.